Did you accidentally enter the wrong birth date when you first signed up for Shopee, or maybe you just want to update it? No worries, it's pretty simple. First, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your profile. Now, look for the settings icon. It's usually in the upper right corner, looks like a gear. Tap on that. Alright, you're in the account settings, find the profile option and tap on it. It usually displays your username and some basic info. Here you'll see your profile information, including your birthday. Tap on the birthday field. It might show your current birth date or be blank if you haven't entered it yet. A calendar will pop up. To change the year, tap on the year displayed at the top. This will usually take you to a year selection screen where you can scroll to find the correct year. After choosing the year, select the correct month from the available options. Finally, tap on the correct day of the month to select your full birth date. Double check to make sure the new birth date is correct. Then, tap the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. And there you have it, your age is now updated on Shopee.